Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Have you ever worked with an air fryer, or maybe you need to get a new one? I'm going to introduce you to the one that you need to get. This is a beautiful, gorgeous, easy to use air fryer from WHUTO. This air fryer is 6 quarts, and you can see that that pan is so big it even held my giant 2 steaks. I really love how easy it is to use. It has presets on the front, which is all operated by a touchscreen. So whether you want to make French fries or a pizza or a hamburger, everything is operated and it automatically knows how long to cook it. And everything comes out really, really well. It also has a DIY function and a bake function. So DIY will let you do just that. You can create your own time and your own heat, which came in really handy when I looked up recipes online. The air fryer is also super easy to clean. At the bottom, it has that grate, which catches all of your extra oils, making this food all taste delicious once it's made. The grate is easy to clean. You can even put it in the dishwasher. And the bottom itself is all non-stick, so it's super easy to clean out. I've had friends tell me that they are great, but I've been a little bit intimidated, but not by this one. It's easy to figure out, the instruction book and recipes are great, and the food that you get out of this is absolutely astounding and delicious. But that's just my point of view.